Iran has denied reports that it's preparing to resume nuclear talks with the United States, following the end of its 12-day war with Israel. On Thursday, June 26th, Tehran accused Washington of exaggerating the damage caused by recent U.S. airstrikes, calling the claims inflated and misleading. But despite rising tensions, U.S. President Donald Trump insisted that nuclear talks with Iran will take place next week. His special envoy, Steve Witkoff, confirmed preparations were underway, expressing optimism for what he called comprehensive peace agreement. However, Iran swiftly shut down the claim. Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi dismissed the reports as mere speculation and said they should not be taken seriously. Speaking on state television, Araghchi said, "No agreement, arrangement, or conversation has been made to start new negotiations. No plan has been set yet." The strong denial came just hours after Iran's parliament passed a binding bill suspending cooperation with the UN nuclear watchdog. Meanwhile, Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei accused President Trump of exaggerating the damage caused by U.S. strikes on Iran's nuclear facilities, further hardening Tehran's stance.
With all that commotion and all those claims, the Zionist regime was practically knocked out and crushed under the blows of the Islamic Republic. My congratulations on our dear Iran's victory over the U.S. regime. The U.S. regime entered the war directly because it felt that if it didn't, the Zionist regime would be completely destroyed. It entered the war in an effort to save that regime, but achieved nothing. The Islamic Republic delivered a heavy slap to the US's face. It attacked and inflicted damage on the Al Udeid air base, which is one of the key US bases in the region. The fact that the Islamic Republic has access to key US centers in the region and can take action whenever it deems necessary is a significant matter. Such an action can be repeated in the future too. Should any aggression occur, the enemy will definitely pay a heavy price.
معلوم شد که به این بزرگنمایی احتیاج داره که در روزی صورت بگیره. هزینه دشمن، هزینه متعرض